Hey backpackers, in this video I'm going to take you around one of the best bird watching sites in Seattle. The Union Bay Natural Area is a public wildlife area that is home to over 200 species of birds. It is also the second largest natural system left on the lake. We followed the Wahkiakum trail on our birding trip where we spotted over 15 species of birds. Keep watching the video till the end to know more about the birds we spotted here. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications on my new videos.